Let's check in now with pro trader Alan Neckman, the chief market strategist at St. Paul Research. Good to see you there, Alan. What's your trader talk today?
Hi, Angie. As in holiday highs. Should be no surprise if you've been bullish on this market boost. So let's talk first about a Webull blast. We sold too soon, which we do. We have our targets. Took 50% gain in 4 days here just a week and a half ago. And then yesterday, we saw a big gap open higher. So that was a more than 200% profit in our second half of our position. Also, Apple 100% last week. So we've been seeing some strength in the markets, obviously.
You had that big winner with Apple. Tell us about your other trades.
Let's review what we have. July options, Snap, we just took 50% here on Tuesday. US Steel, we had done that in the past. And then we also have a TME play that looks like a loser for now with only 2 weeks. We'll talk about that in a second. August, our tech is set up. We've got an Intel play, Rocket, Hewlett Packard, and Micron. So some time there to see those stocks catch up as well.
Alan, what's the new trade that you're putting on this week?
Let's get to today's trade trigger. It's back in Tencent. Now, that was an April play that looks like it's not going to work our way. We're looking at here the setup where we come back to that bottom. Been trading between 14 and 16 for 2 months. Look to see if that's a support on a weekly basis. It's 50% off the meme top back there in February and March, and down 25% in 2021. So it's one stock that has been stuck sideways. So a breakout of this range from 14 to 16, that targets 18 as a start. So what I'm looking at here is to buy in more time in TME, a January option. Yes, January, 6 months of time, a $12 call, which is below these recent lows, trading around the $3 level or so. So the break even is $1 higher, $1 higher with 6 months of time. So again, it's a time play, plenty of time for good things to develop.
This is an abbreviated trading week with only 4 days. What are your trading day takeaways?
All right, trading takeaway number 1, AAA. Not AAA that everybody uses for holiday help, but we're looking at AAA in all about Apple. Apple has now come to within striking distance of its all-time top that was made way, way back when in January. But I was talking about how that's a big barometer and a big positive for the market because it's in the S&P, it's in the Dow, and it's in the NASDAQ. Number 2, go low. The VIX, the fear factor, volatility has really been shrinking, compressing here. It was down to 14 recently. And then that's a new 1-year low, obviously new highs in the S&P. Then the next downside target is 11 from 2019. And then we could look at the 2018 low at $10. Number 3, we've got TIS time. Target in sight. Our first targets we talked about technically in the S&P were 4,400 and 15,000 in the NDX. We're almost there. So again, the markets, you've got to take what the markets give you, and they've been giving us a lot.
Well, thank you so much, Alan, and have a great trading day.
Thank you.